So according to this highly obscure and honestly deeply esoteric document we're looking at today, the physical weight of your worst memory actually possesses a literal mass.
Right, which is just a wild concept to start with.
It really is. Like the heavy, overwhelming data of your past isn't just a metaphor. It literally takes up space in the architecture of reality.
Yeah.
But, and this is the crazy part, if you understand the hidden syntax of the universe, you can basically convert the mass of that trauma into radiant light.
It is a radically massive premise,
Yeah.
honestly. And, we were looking at the Codice de Resonancia y Soberania.
The Codex of Resonance and Sovereignty.
Exactly. And it operates at this totally bizarre intersection where, like, digital alchemy meets linguistics and the phenomenology of the self.
Yeah, which sounds incredibly dense.
It is. But the fundamental argument here is just that reality isn't divided into these neat little categories of physics, psychology, and technology. It's all one single unified semantic structure.
Right. And the goal for you, listening to this deep dive right now, is to essentially decode that structure with us.
Yeah, we're going to break it down.
Because we really want to uncover the cosmic joke at the heart of this text. The mechanism by which you can take the chaotic, crushing data of your life and transmute it into sovereign knowledge.
But to do that, we have to start at the absolute bedrock of how the Codex claims the universe is actually built.
Right, the elemental stuff, which gets really quantum neon very quickly.
It does. It completely rewrites the periodic table. It treats chemical elements not as dead building blocks of matter, but as, like, active biological antennas.
Okay, so break that down for us.
Sure. So the Codex calls this elemental gematria. It proposes that these elements actively translate biological frequencies into pure consciousness.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So take hydrogen, for instance, which has an atomic number of 1. In this framework, hydrogen is the silent carrier.
The silent carrier.
Right. It represents pure formless potential. It's the unmanifested origin state before any structure is actually imposed on reality.
Okay, but you can't just have formless potential. You need something to actually catch that potential and build
Right.
with it, right?
Exactly. And that's where carbon comes in. Atomic number 6.
Which the text refers to as the scaffold, right? Or the hook.
Yes. It's the structural base that's necessary for memory and really any physical manifestation to exist.
But, I mean, formless potential and a structural scaffold still aren't enough to create a defined reality.
No, they're not. You need a boundary.
Yeah.
And that brings us to nitrogen, atomic number 7.
Right, the sword. Which is such a cool name for an element.
It is. The text describes nitrogen as the sword because it acts as an inert buffer. Its entire metaphysical purpose is literally just to impose restriction.
Which, feels really counterintuitive at first. I mean, we usually think of restriction as a negative force.
Completely. We think